All right, I am working on some trailer stuff today. I got to recarpet the side panels and bunks. And in the meantime, I will put up some video that Ryan from Ryan Fabworks did some time-lapse video of the trailer when he was doing the modifications and repairs on that. So I will put that up while I'm working on this stuff, and we'll go from there. All right, got most of this done. Still got to do a little bit, but got to take a breakfast break. Wife made chorizo, potatoes, eggs, beans, fresh, uh, everything. So I'm selfishly taking a break. I'll be back. Oh my gosh, that breakfast was so good. I just want to lay on the couch now, but got to finish this up. If you ever do this, get a staple remover. This has made it so much easier to get everything out. So went by so much quicker. I did the first one with just the staples were a little sideways, so I went and just used the channel locks to rip it out, but then I had to go back with this. But everything else was nice and level, so, or horizontal with the carpet. So this guy made a world of difference. So Gonna finish this up and then start throwing some fresh carpet on here. Try out the new staple gun, see if it works. So here's the side panels. They're a little bit rougher than what I was hoping for, so I'm definitely gonna have to be redoing these. Not gonna be reusing these because we have a bunch of cancer everywhere. So add that to the list of things to do. So here's the bunk carpet and stuff that I'm using. Got two different sizes, 100 foot by 12 inch for the bunks, and then the 20 feet by 20 inch for the side panels. This is just Amazon special. Just ordered it off Amazon, and that's what I'm gonna be using. Okay, I got the bunks all done. They turned out really good. I'm happy with them. I already showed you guys what carpet I use for the staple guns or staple gun and the staplers. I use the Arrow staple gun, electronic staple guns, and then the Arrow T50 half-inch stainless steel staple. Worked out really good. Just make sure had it pressed firmly down and everything went really good, and then I just gave it a little love tap with the hammer. So that's about it for this video. I'm going to do a part 2 when I start assembling the trailer, putting the bunks on, side panels. Speaking of side panels, I didn't get those done because previously you saw how I had all the cancerous stuff on there, so I'm going to have to review those. So, but I'll do a part 2, bunks, trailer wiring, side panels, and everything like that. And then I'll also go over exactly what Ryan did for the repairs and modifications that you saw earlier in the video. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you on part 2 for the trailer rebuild. Thanks.